In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Dashboards. By the end, you'll have a clean, central place inside your vault where you can see your most important notes, projects, and quick links at a glance. We're going to keep it simple, clear, and totally practical. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want your dashboard to live. Think of a dashboard as your personal home base. It's the note you'll open first thing to get oriented, so choose the vault you use most often. If you already have a structure, don't worry. This will fit neatly into it. Next, create a folder and name it Dashboard. This folder helps you keep the core dashboard note and any related files together. Keeping your dashboard content in its own space makes it easier to manage, update, and back up later. If you're someone who likes tidy sidebars, this small step pays off immediately. Now, inside that new folder, create a new note and name it Dashboard as well. This will be your main hub. Naming the folder and the note the same way is a common pattern in Obsidian because it keeps things predictable. When you're searching or filtering, you'll always know that anything related to your dashboard lives in that one spot. Open the dashboard note and start typing. You can begin with a simple welcome line or a brief description of what this page is for. Add a couple of headings to outline your layout, such as a spot for top priorities, projects, or quick links. Obsidian uses Markdown, so try using headings to break sections up. Short, clear sections make your dashboard easier to scan and maintain. If you have recurring items you want to see every day, reserve a little space for them here so they're always one click away. If you already have a template or snippet that you want to use, paste it directly into the dashboard note. This could be something you've written before, a structure you copied from your notes, or a small set of headings and checkboxes that you rely on. Pasting a starter template saves time and helps you stay consistent. You can include checkboxes for tasks, simple tables for status, and short notes or reminders. Keep it compact. Dashboards work best when they show just enough to guide you without overwhelming your screen. Inside your dashboard, look for or add a link labeled Project and click it to automatically create the folder or structure you need for your work. The idea here is that your dashboard should help you spin up organization with minimal friction. When you click a link that points to something that doesn't exist yet, Obsidian will offer to create it for you. Use that behavior to your advantage. By linking from the dashboard first, you make sure everything new is connected right from the start so you won't lose track of it later. You can also add internal links anywhere by typing 2 square brackets to open and close a link. When you write double brackets, Obsidian lets you search for an existing note to link or create a new one instantly if it doesn't exist. This is one of the most powerful parts of using a dashboard. You can create quick navigation to your daily notes, active projects, reference pages, or any area you visit often. Keep link names short and descriptive so they're easy to skim. If you organize by folders, you can link to notes inside those folders by referencing the folder path in the brackets. Over time, a handful of well-chosen links will turn your dashboard into a reliable command center. That's all you need to get your dashboard working. Open Obsidian, make a dashboard folder, create your dashboard note, type or paste your layout, use your project link to spin up structure, and add links with double brackets to tie everything together. Keep refining it as your workflow evolves, and your dashboard will grow into a simple, powerful guide you'll use every day.